can't tell you how many times I messed that up in live performance. And this is a chart written by the band leader that I was working with, Del Baroni. And, you know, since he would play the bass line, to keep from messing it up, I would just play the top part here, like, all right. Yeah, like that. So this song is probably not in the original key because I don't think Del sang as high as Donny Hathaway did. But let me give you a little strategy on how to play from this chart. And then if you want to do the song in the original key, you're going to have to transpose it yourself. So we start off with, you know, it's kind of weird. We've got like one chord in the right hand and a different bass note on just about every chord here. So... Right? So we start off with this like A minor. You can think of it as F major 7th, and that's what the F triangle means. All right. Now, how I finally kind of learned to do this was to pay attention to my fingering. All right. So right here, when you're doing 3-note chords in the right hand, it's really important to decide whether to use 3 or 2 for your middle finger. So, all right. So those are going to be 3rd finger. And then we've got one with 2nd finger and back to 3rd finger. All right, this one, you know, you could go 2-3-5 or 2-4-5 or 1-3-5, doesn't really matter. And this one, I think it's best to put 4 on the top. So you're going to go say 1-3-5 and then 1-2-4. And then back here, we're going to use our 2nd finger, standard fingering, 1, 2, and 5. All right. And practice this, 50 times a day, 100 times a day, every single day between now and Christmas, and you'll be able to do it. At least, I would always try to learn this song like the morning of the gig or something, and I'd always screw it up, you know. For some reason, I got it this morning. Now, first and second time, you got 3-4 coming up here. You go like da 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 1 2 da da da, and then you do it again. All right. Da 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 1 2. Yeah. All right. So da 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 1 2. Then do it again. I messed it up. You see, it's still not there. And then the last time, we've got it this way. 2, 3, 4. Hang all the mistletoe, I'm gonna get to know you better. And then an F. I'm not really sure here. Is it Chris? Oh, those are accents down there. Okay, I thought they were bass notes. I think the melody is like that. I don't know. You'll have to check it out. That's how I would do it, I guess. This Christmas. And then you do it again. That's what that 4 means over there with the double slash and the dots and all that stuff. So we do it again. And on to the next line. So. You see, I crossed out the chord symbol there, wrote G11th, because I hate to read 2 chord symbols at once, you know? What has it got there? Oh, it's got G over. That can't be right. Yeah, I think that's wrong. That's why I crossed it out. I think it's a G11th there. I'll check the recording, and if I'm wrong about it, I'll make a little edit when I'm editing this video. And then... All right, you got to put that going to the G flat. All right, there's B flat 13. in. And then E minor, A. All right, that's just for the bass note. All right, still an A minor with an F sharp in the bass, but correctly F sharp half diminished, or F sharp minor 7 flat 5. And then it's kind of like, that chord, all right? And then we've got, the dreaded 2, 3. Oh, it's got, 3 beats. So 2, 3. All right, for the exact arrangement, you'll have to check out the original recording by the great Donny Hathaway. Wrote some other great songs as well. I think didn't he write Killing Me Softly? And also Valdez in the Country, I think is his song also. Really great song. Okay, everyone, that's it for this tune. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe, or Santa Claus will leave you a lump of coal in your stocking.